If you're using an Apple iPhone, you're probably using the WhatsApp app as well. And sometimes you might be backing up your WhatsApp chat data automatically to iCloud. In that backup, you may have enabled end-to-end encryption. It's better to keep it enabled because if someone gets access to this backup file, they still won't be able to read it right away. But if you don't want that feature and want to disable end-to-end encryption, you can do it. In this video, we'll show you how to disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp chat backup on your Apple iPhone. For this, open the WhatsApp app. Once it opens, tap on your profile photo at the top. Then tap on Chats. Next, tap on Chat Backup. Here you'll see the end-to-end encryption option. It's currently turned on with a passkey. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll now see the turn off option. Tap on that, and you'll be asked to confirm your identity with Face ID. I'm confirming with Face ID. Once you confirm, you'll see the turn off option again. Tap on Turn Off. After that, you'll see the Done button. Tap on Done. Once you do that, end-to-end encryption will be disabled. Now you can see that end-to-end encryption is turned off. So this is how you can easily disable end-to-end encryption on WhatsApp chat backup on your Apple iPhone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.